what form in international system of numeration? How can we write? The same way, put this from the right side of this chart. 8 4 0 5 and we got this 3 and 8 in billion chart. So we call it as 38 billion. 38 billion, no digits in the million part, and in thousand part here is 5 and these are two blank places. So we call it as 500, 500,000 and 48. So we write 38 billion 500,000 48, and also you put it in your Indian system of numeration, but here the chart extends in your left side. Then you write 10 crore, it's as 100 crore. So in Indian system of numeration we call it as 380 crore 5 lakh 48, 380 crore 5 lakh and 48. When you see this number, just count the number of places. Divided is as a 3. This 3, this 3 and this 3, and you will definitely got. If there are 9 zeros after some number, these 9 zeros contain the million part. Billion part. So 38, after 38 we notice that there are 9 zeros. So this is 38 billion. Next, count the number. Textbook questions. Write this number in expanded form. How can we write? Now don't see at the right part. See this one. 3 into how many digits are there after this 3? Just put 1 and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. So 1 into 7 zeros, same as 9 plus 9 into, after 9 how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And same way is 5 plus 5 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and there is 2 zeros. We know that if we multiply any number with 0 we get 0. So 0 into this one plus 0 into this one. Now this 3 in which place? 3 in the place of 100. That's why we multiplied into 100. And 8 10th place into 10 and into 1. This is my expanded form, and this is the check in expanded form. Just write this portion as a line, vertical line or horizontal line. You may write this concept. Next question. Write numerals or standard form or in figures. 38 billion 548. Write this sentence in numerals or standard form or in figures. Then your answer is this one. 38 billion, we know after billion there are 9 places are vacant. So 38 billion 548, or you may write 38 billion 500,000 48. Next one is rounding of numbers. Suppose this is your number 17. What is the rounding of this number? We can write it as 20 because this 17 is near the 20. That's why we rounding of the 17 into 20. In the same way, we may write 29 as 30, 97 as 100, or 5, 6, 8. So near as 570. Remember, there are some questions that rounding off this number to the nearest 10. When they ask to the nearest 10, we have to check up to the 10th places. 68. So 10th place is 68. So nearest number of 68 is 70. That's why we write 570. But if they ask write to the nearest 100, then we take all the three numbers. So then my answer is 600, because 600 is lies near as 568. 9235. Write this number to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000 places. How can we write? Nearest 10. 10 place is this one. So we have to write this part as your rounding off. So nearest 10 we can write 9 to 35. 35 is closer to 40. That's why we write 9240. This is my nearest 10. Nearest 100 we take this part. 235. 235. Nearest to 240. 200. 235 is closer to 200. So we can write 9200. This is my nearest 100. And nearest 1000. The total part, nearest 1000. 9235. This is closer to 9000. So my answer will be 9000. Next question. What will be rounded off to each of these following? মানে কোথা থেকে কোন পর্যন্ত নাম্বারকে আমরা 11000 এর রাউন্ডেড অফ হিসাবে লিখতে পারি? সো 11000 1 2 11449 and 10,500 to 10,990. Next question. Estimate, then find the sum or difference. For class 4-5 students, no need to estimate. You just simply add or subtract this one and check. For class 6, estimate this first and then find. So 43278. What we retain? If we retain as nearest 10, then we write 43280. Or if we round it off to the nearest 100, we write 300 43300. And to the 1000 place 3278. 3278 is nearest to which 1000? 3000. So we write it as 4300. And this one 2902. We may write it as 3000 as nearest 1000 and simply add these two, 46,000. Same way the subtraction, class 5 just subtract the value and check with the corresponding addition. For class 6, 7893 nearest 1000, so we may write it as 8000 because it is near or equals to 8000, and 4164 it is 4000. So my answer is 4000. This is your approximate answers. In division, we know these terms, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. This is my dividend and my divisor is suppose 5. So what we have write? 5 ones are 5, 3, these 3, 5, 6, the 30, 3, now this 4, 4, now this 6, 46, 4 nines are 45 and the remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Then how can we check this? Dividend means 8346 is equal to divisor into quotient. This is my divisor and this is my quotient. Multiplied these two into 5, we have got this and plus remainder. Remainder is my 1. So add 1 with this, we get this. This is my dividend. This is the checking property.